Welcome to Vocabulary Friday. Vocabulary makes you more confident. Learning has a beginning but no ending. And today's session we are going to learn all these vocabularies. Are you ready? Let's get going. Welcome to my channel. The word number 1 is mortar. Mortar means ural. Ural அப்படினா அர்த்தம். So it is an ancient device used for crushing the things and it is made of stone or any of the metal. So how to use it in a sentence? My mother crushed the ginger for tea using the mortar, or my grandma crushed the betel leaf using the mortar. So betel leaf means vettala. Vettalayla enna பண்ணுவாங்க பாட்டி grandma they used to crush it using the mortar. So the word number 2 is it is a pair of mortar pestle உலக்கை. So உரலும் உலக்கையும் ஒண்ணாதான் இருக்கும். That is mortar and pestle. So pestle it is a pair of mortar. So it is a long wooden object with a rounded bottom. So it is also used to crush spices and drugs. So நம்ம இஞ்சி பூண்டு மிளகு spicesலாம் we used to crush it. So Rani put the coriander seeds in the mortar and pestled it or crushed it using the pestle. So Rani crushed the coriander seeds using the pestle. The word number 3 is churner. Churner means mattu அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம் தமிழ்ல மத்து, that is called as churner or a churning rod. It is also made of wood or iron. The yogurt is churned using the churner into the buttermilk. So yogurt means curd or தயிர். So it is churned into buttermilk using the churner. My mother churned the dal to make the dal rice. Churned means கடையிறது. So my mother churned the dal to make dal rice. பருப்பை கடைஞ்சி பருப்பு சாதம் பண்ணாங்க. So that is the meaning of churned. So the word is churner or churning rod. Vocabulary number 4 is ladle. Ladle. So many of us never know this word. கரண்டி. கரண்டிக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல என்ன நிறைய பேர் என்கிட்ட கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ladle means கரண்டி. ஸோ it is a long object with a bowl shaped cup at the end. ஸோ ஒரு பவுல் ஷேப்டாக இருக்கும், ஒரு லாங் ஹேண்டில் இருக்கும். ஸோ இதை எப்படி சென்டென்ஸில் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா the ladle is used to serve the stew or soup. Ladle is used to serve the stew or soup. So or we can say Rani served the stew using the ladle. So ladle use பண்ணி Rani stew serve பண்ணாங்க. Stew means குழம்பு அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம we can say it in the word stew. Next vocabulary number 5 is oven mitt or oven clove அப்படின்னா கரித்துணி. ஸோ நிறைய பேர் இந்த கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. கரித்துணினா எப்படி இங்கிலீஷில் சொல்கிறது, வேஸ்ட் கிளாத்தா அப்படின்லாம் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. பட் oven mitt or oven clove. So it is a padded clove designed to handle hot dishes. So chefs, cooking people and rich people they wear cloves to handle the hot objects. So but in the middle class they use the cotton cloths as a oven mitt. So how to use it in a sentence? Oven mitt makes me feel comfortable while touching the hot objects. So oven mitt makes me feel comfortable while touching the hot objects. The vocabulary number 6 is festoon. Festoon means தோரணம் அப்படினு அர்த்தம். So it is a garland of flowers, ribbons or lights or colorful papers. They are all called as festoon. தோரணம் அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். Festoon can also be used as verb also. So now I am going to give a sentence using as a verb. So the puja room was festooned with garland of flowers. So puja room fulla மலர் மாலைகளால டெக்கரேட் பண்ணப்பட்டிருக்கு. That is the meaning. Or the hall was festooned with Christmas lights. The hall was festooned with Christmas lights. The vocabulary number 7 is incense stick. Incense stick, that means ஊதுபத்தி அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். Incense stick, it is a wooden stick and it is coated with incense to give a fragrant or odor. So நல்ல ஒரு smell, fragrance கொடுக்கிறதுக்காக கோட் பண்ணப்பட்டிருக்கும். That is called as incense stick. So let me use it in a sentence. Someone has lit the incense stick and the room was filled with its aroma. Someone has lit the incense sticks. யாரோ ஊதுபத்தியை கொளுத்திருக்காங்க. So the room is filled with the aroma. Aroma means it is a good smell. The last and final word is toe ring. Toe ring. Toe ring means மெட்டி. ஸோ கையில் இருக்கிற விரலை நம்ம ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். காலில் இருக்கிற விரலை toes அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் toe ring. It is an ornament that is made of silver. So usually it is wear in the leg. So how to use it in a sentence? இது எப்படி சென்டென்ஸில் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா toe ring is worn in a second toe of each foot. That means ரெண்டாவது விரலில் ஒவ்வொரு காலையும் போட்டிருப்பாங்க. That is the meaning. Toe ring is worn in a second toe of each foot. So it is a Hindu culture to wear toe for a married woman, or we can say married women wears toe ring in Hindu culture. Married women wears toe ring in Hindu culture. And that's it with the lesson today. So I believe and I hope that you have learned these rare vocabularies. And I'll meet you with another important lesson on Tuesday. So if you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to hit the like button and kindly give your valuable comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a happy learning.